Hey racers, I'm Lily and this is my racing car simulator DIY. This is a paddle shifter that operates up and down, featuring vibration effects, an adjustable steering angle, adjustable natural damping, and adjustable wheel spring strength. I am using two gears, one small and one big, with two pieces of 50K volume control connected via a 3-pin to the Logitech F310 gamepad. This is all I can share for now. Click like and type in the comment section if you have any questions, and subscribe for more DIY racing simulator videos. Bye.